I can't see so well. My eyes are fuzzy. Is that a man or a woman? Ooh. My eyes. They're so fuzzy. Ooh. It's a young lad. Oh there, young lad. What's your name?
Would you mind being quiet? I'm looking for the wild canary. I'm afraid your voice will drive it away.
Canary? I don't think there's any canaries out here.
Not right now, no.
Oh, got some sass to you, young man. I like that.
I'm sorry, I'm just very passionate about the wild canary.
Ooh, I'm gonna go see if I can see any of those canaries. They intrigue me. Those canaries.
Have you seen wild canaries before?
No, I didn't even know that they existed. It's a first for me. What are those big birds there?
These are geese.
That's a goose. My eyes aren't so good. I should put on my glasses.
Maybe so. I wish you would be quiet.
Oh, it's the first conversation I've had in 12 years. So have you seen a canary yet?
I haven't seen any today.
Oh, there's a canary. Oh, that's just a goose.
Where?
That's just a goose. My eyes are so bad. My eyes.
Canaries are small and yellow. So I imagine they look substantially different from a goose.
Ooh. Yet I'm learning so much. And they say you can't teach an old man new tricks.
I think they said that about old dogs.
Yeah. My wife's a bitch. That's what you mean.
My wife's a bitch too.
You look like you're about 21 years old and you're already married. You're chained forever.
I married when I was 16.
That's very young.
There was no choice. She was
Did you impregnate her?
the only way.
In a family, that's a nice way to say it. My eyes. I think I see some turkeys. Are those turkeys down there?
These are still geese.
So have you seen the canary?
No, but I've seen it in this spot before.
This is Canary Zone.
So you say you don't like your wife?
I don't like my wife.
What's her name?
Susan.
Tell me about Susan.
She's crazy. I have this wild theory. Everybody named Susan's crazy.
I believe it.
I've met 27 since I was 4 years old. My mother was named Susan.
I don't like my wife either. I come out here every Friday night looking for that canary. I've seen it once. Back before. Well, before I got involved with Lisa. It's just so beautiful. So little and yellow. It's like it can go almost anywhere and no one can stop it. I used to feel like that canary. But now I'm more like that cattail. Stuck in the same place. Going nowhere, doing nothing. Growing over with moths.
And how does that make you feel?
Think about killing my wife. Bearing her under that cattail. Teach her a thing or two.
Me too.
Hey man, you got some reefer?